soy Mosquera.
My name is César Pereiro.
My name is Antonio Rivas.
My name is Inés and I'm from Arzua.
My name is Maikel. I am from Havana, Cuba.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel for Yawson. I'm from Accra, Ghana.
I'm from Montaus, a small town near Ordes in Galician, Spain. I'm 32 years old.
I'm 31 years old, but I keep saying that I'm 30 for the next 4 years, and this is my second year studying here.
I have 26 years old and I've been studying in San Clemente 1 year.
Yes, I think it's really important to study IT in English because all the new technologies use English as a base language.
I think studying IT in English is very helpful. Programming languages are lexically English based, so you have to be used to some concepts and keywords.
I think that studying IT in English here is very helpful for my future work.
IT English classes are helpful for my future because most of the languages I find and information are in English.
I think having bilingual classes has a really positive impact on the whole process, on the whole teaching system here, because we have the opportunity to chat with native English speakers in class while we work on technological projects, and this really helps a lot. It helps you improve on your conversational skills, and it's really good for us, yes.
I think having bilingual classes present both positives and negatives. I mean, you need to be familiar with some concepts and present a great opportunity for beginners.
These bilingual classes present only positive. I think that it is the best way to practice any language.
The main advantages to studying in IT in a training school instead of university and are the possibility to focus studies in your interests. They prepare people for the real market and of course scholarships.
Advantages of studying IT in a training school like this, a lot, because the basis of teaching here is on a 50-50 basis. 50% theory and 50% practical, and this really gives you a very good base when it's time for you to enter into the job market, since most situations or most job opportunities require people with practical abilities. This is what we actually do.
The technology and materials provided here are amazing, and it's a training center with the most technological stuff I've seen.
In my opinion, the materials provided for learning at San Clemente Technical School are excellent. The theory materials are didactic and comprehensible, and the practical tasks are perfect to understand and put in practice this knowledge.
The material provided for learning here in San Clemente is real good. I only have one subject because I did the rest in another school, but I regret it because I learned more in these months than 2 years I've been in the other training school. They have good technology, teachers, ideas, information, and of course formation.
I think teachers from the San Clemente prepare us to the market world in the best possible way.
I think San Clemente is giving me the experience and tools according to the real market world.
I think San Clemente provides good IT formation and allows its students to get into a good position to get a job and deal with the job market.
I really think that San Clemente is giving me experience, tools to succeed in the real world.